Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to send money on a PayPal. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest and step by step process to send money on a PayPal. So for that, first of all open official website paypal.com on your desktop. So after opening that page, make sure that you will be logged in that. So now you can see I already opened that PayPal page. So inside that you can see that different options are there like home, send and request. Here we are going to try how to send money and all. So for that you can see here send option is there. You can go through by clicking here, and by clicking here also you can go, and it's better to send here. You have to click here, it will be easy. So I will click here. So him you want to send, you can give his her email ID, whatever is asking here. You can go through like this. I will just give one name. So now after that you will give a amount how much you want to pay. So after giving this amount, if you want to write something here, you can write. It's not compulsory to write and all. So after that you can see a next option is there. So you have to click on next, and after that it will be asking about how do you want to pay. So you have to give detail about that. Then after giving that detail, then it will be showing one option like this. In that it will be written as a send payment. So you have to click on that. So in this way you can send money on a PayPal. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.